What's up, guys? I just picked up this brand new bow fishing boat about a week ago, and we're fishing to take it out for the first time. I got these big old light bars, big good trolling motor right here, and I got me a bow too.
Yeah, show them the setup.
That's a 40 horse Yamaha 30.
Show them the bow fishing set.
40-30 jet. Put it on here. Got it about a week ago. We got a bunch of ice right here. We're gonna put the buffalo in. This is for the trash fish. And we're gonna get running here.
This is the setup, yeah.
Yep.
Pretty nice though.
Yeah, a little Bass Pro special. And we'll let y'all know when we get on.
So we're at our first, where we're gonna start hunting at, or whatever it's called. But let's see if we can't get anything. Get him? Miss number one.
Oh, dude, I would have had him.
I thought you had him. Miss number two. I think you got him. Yeah, you got him. What is it?
I think it's a little carp.
A carp?
Pretty common, yeah. You get him in the boat?
Yeah. Oh yeah. First one. So we got the first one right there. Just a little common carp. But we're gonna try to get some more. A little soft shell turtle.
Y'all stay tuned. Oh! Dang. Told you. They're in here. 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 Actually, I don't want to shoot. Actually, is that a buffalo?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, catfish.
Yeah, nope, miss.
Barely missed me.
Man.
Hey, 3 fish.
Yeah, they're in here though.
Got it?
Yeah.
Am I shooting like over?
There's one right there. Miss.
Oh my god.
Come on, don't miss this time.
Shot right over. Oh my.
I think you hit him.
Really?
I think you did. Oh,
Let's not talk about
that.
Okay.
Got him.
Got the dome.
Oh yeah.
It was that tip all along.
Yep. We sharpened the tip, and he got one.
Chill out.
Gonna get back to you when we see another one though.
No, dude.
Got him.
Pretty good. Third fish of the night.
Yep.
There you go, boys. On the boat.
Little drum.
Got it. Okay, alright, watch out.
Got him. Right,
Oh my god! Crap! Doing these stupid things. There's a 50-pound.
Yeah, the big old buffalo right there.
What is it called? Watch out. Oh, thank you, Lord. Okay, watch out.
Got a big old gar spotted right there. Got it.
Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm all the way through him. I'm all the way through him. I'm all the way through him.
I'm getting
all the way through him. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. We got him.
We got him.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, step up here.
Oh.
Did you get that on film?
I did.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just had to throw him in here. That
Yeah,
thing's
you're
about to start flopping now.
Oh, Big old gar, big old spotted gar, I think.
Oh yeah, he's gonna. All right, just.
I'm gonna get him in the tub too. That's a beaver. Got him.
Wait, what? Oh, I got him.
Yeah. You didn't even think you had him, did you? Mom, grab there.
No, I got it.
What is it?
Yes.
Big old drum right there. You got him.
Good one. Good one.
It is going. It's right through the eyeball.
It's shallow.
Oh, it's really shallow.
Oh,
Hey, we're starting to get a bucket of them now, though. Plus that big old gar. He's about to get up here, get all these fish out, see what all we have, take the thumbnail, and well, we got a big old gar right here. Let's say about 3.5 feet, 4 feet. Wouldn't you say?
well, I'm 5 foot, so let's just. Is it dead?
Yeah.
I'm 5'2". I'm 5'4".
Yeah, he's definitely 3 foot. But we also
Here, take my picture, Lou.
yeah, hold on.
Still videoing?
Yeah, but we also got a whole bunch of drum, some carp, a whole bunch. But this is, I think this is the best fish of the night. Let's see.